Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to find AustralianSuper username. To find your AustralianSuper username, simply go ahead and visit your AustralianSuper login page. Open up a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box at the top and type in AustralianSuper.com. This will redirect you to the AustralianSuper website, from where simply click on the Login tab and select Member Login. In the login portal, type in your username and then your account's password. If you don't remember your username, then you can find your username by clicking on Find Your Username option. On the next page, you will need to provide some of your personal details such as your last name, your date of birth, and then your phone number or email address. After filling in all of the details, click on Continue, and on the next page you will be able to see your username. So that is how you should be able to find your username if you've forgotten it during logging into AustralianSuper. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.